Hello everyone, this is Frank. Welcome back to our channel, and today our topic will be our SILIKE silicone additive can help improving the performance of the HDPE pipes. So for the HDPE pipes manufacturer, you probably will facing the production the problems such as the poor wall wear and surface scratches, or feeding flow to the low production output. So your customer will give you feedback about your poor durabilities. And for the HDPE material, especially the P80 and P100, with their excellent corrosion resistance and high pressure resistance, which is the ideal material for the pipes. But however, when after long-term use, the friction on the pipe over the surface is high, and also the wear resistance is insufficient, which still directly affect the quality of the finished product, and also affect the production efficiency and also the customer repeat purchasing rate. So the solution is actually very simple. By modifying the material, it can be achieved. For example, during production at our silicone masterbatch processing additive, our grade is LYSI-304, and the wear resistance will be directly upgraded. So how it can help, and it can efficiently improve the processing performance and fluidity, and also surface lubricity of the polyethylene resins, and significantly reduce the friction coefficient. And at the same time, it can also increase the feeding speed and make the finished pipe wall is more smoother and also more durable, and the further improving the overall efficiency of the feeding pipes. If you want to improve your pipe production performance and the quality of the pipes, you can use our this silicone additive we call LYSI-304. If you are interested about this product, you can contact us for a sample. If you have any question, you just refer to us anytime. I hope we can see you next time.